Alright, getting started here. If you load up the demo scene and hit play, you'll be able to see some of the features right away. So we have, this is our previous level, current level, future level. As you see, I can level up and the values change, and I can level back down. I could also enter an integer value here and go straight to that level. Down here is something new, and you can load different configurations. So if I go to here and do attributes demo 2 and load it, you see I've loaded a different save file. And then I could go ahead and do 3, different again, and I could still go ahead and level it up, and that's fine. If we go back to the scene, we'll see there's just two game objects that have all the things I saw there, or you saw there, or we both saw there. We got the demo attributes, the load config, and the printer. So these are on the documentation what they do, but these three things do the various things found within the UI system. And here I didn't show you, but you could just test it on your own. There's different ways that you can level up by hitting the keyboard button, so it's a different trigger there, how you could change the stats, and all that good stuff. Okay.